What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on confirmation for deleting in your Gmail. So if you open up your Gmail guys and click the three lines on the upper left hand side, you want to go all the way down to settings, then click on general settings there, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom you have confirmation before deleting. If you turn this on, what it's going to do is that whenever you're deleting an email, you'll get a confirmation asking if you really want to delete it. And you also have the option there for archiving and sending as well. So let's try this for the deletion. So I'm going to simply click on confirmation or confirm before deleting. And let's go back to my email and find something. So let's say I want to delete this Google security alert here. I'm going to click on that and then I'm going to click delete at the top there, and see I have this option that says delete this conversation. Then I can click on OK. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and I'm going to turn this off and show you that when it's unchecked it doesn't give me any confirmation. So I'm going to go back here and let's choose another email. So let's take the first email here. I'm going to click here, delete, and you see the email is deleted without asking me to confirm. And that's it guys. That's how to turn on confirm before deleting on your Gmail on Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.